So when I went to Greece, I met with, I think it was like 25, 27 people, and I interviewed them about their Jewish experience in the city. I interviewed 7 of those people, at least partially in Judeo-Spanish, which was really, really fascinating. And I guess my research question was, what is the status of Judeo-Spanish in this community still? And as you could guess, because the community is so small and because so many people were killed, the language is dying out. I mean, it's a minority language, and there are very few people under the age of like 50 or 55 that know the language at all. So I was really lucky to be able to interview anyone in Judeo-Spanish. I was really happy to be able to record them as well, and I have those recordings still, and I'm looking for some kind of archive to donate them to, because I think that's really important information for the world to have. And then I wrote my thesis, my undergrad thesis, on the language and how it's being used, and I did short biographies of each of the speakers of Judeo-Spanish that I spoke with, and I also looked at a couple linguistic variables that aren't that interesting to talk about right now. So yeah, that was basically my research.